The llamas just want to be fed. Their owners just want to know what's going on. Without warning, they suddenly found out that the government didn't want people from outside Bolton visiting them.
Very confused, really, because some people are obviously very wary of coming visiting the farm. This morning, for example, I'd say we've had maybe 100 phone calls, either people wanting to cancel their tickets coming visiting the farm or transferring tickets to a later date.
Updated guidance on the gov.uk site said the Indian variant was spreading fastest in Bolton and 7 other areas, so people should avoid travelling in and out of there. The trouble is, no one in the affected areas seems to have known that the guidance had changed. Here, like elsewhere, people have been travelling around as normal. Like Becky and Reese, who'd come from Manchester.
Not really heard anything about it, no.
I think obviously we're aware stuff's going on, but I wasn't aware that had come in and that was what was happening. So, yeah, that's news to us, I think.
I still don't understand where can we go and where can we not go. I just don't understand it.
We wouldn't have hesitated today booking something outside of Bolton. No. And I wouldn't have even known I was doing anything wrong.
The advice is clear, according to the Westminster government.
I'm surprised to hear that people think this is sort of come out of the blue. It hasn't. It's about formalising on the record the guidance which we believe people can and should follow in order to make sure that we tackle not to have more spread of the Indian variant.
The local authorities involved point out it is simply advice and not illegal. In a joint statement, they said, following the national coverage of recently revised guidance, we have met with the national officials and confirmed there are no restrictions on travel in or out of each of our areas. There are no local lockdowns.
Local lockdowns do not work. We in Bolton have had first-hand experience, and I'm going to say disproportionately and unfair first-hand experience of local lockdowns. They do not work, and I will continue to fight against them.
People here are being asked to take all necessary precautions. As the local hospital copes with a growing number of COVID patients, the government now says they'll make their advice clearer. Lisa Dowd, Sky News, Bolton.